The collision between the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way Galaxy is a spectacular event that is predicted to happen in the distant future, around 4.5 billion years from now. Both galaxies are the two largest members of the Local Group, a collection of galaxies that includes dozens of smaller galaxies as well. As they move through the universe, the gravitational forces between the two galaxies are gradually pulling them closer together. Despite the immense distance between them, the vast majority of the galaxy's individual stars will likely not collide due to the vast amount of empty space between them. However, the gravitational interaction will still have significant effects on both galaxies. During the collision, the gravitational forces will distort the shapes of both galaxies, stretching out spiral arms and triggering a burst of new star formation. The interstellar gas and dust clouds within the galaxies will collide, potentially igniting the birth of new stars in regions where such activity may have been dormant for millions of years. It's possible that some stars and planetary systems might be affected, but the vast spaces between stars will prevent most direct collisions. Over time, gravitational interactions will cause stars to rearrange into new orbits, leading to the eventual formation of a new, merged galaxy often referred to as Milktromeda or Milkomedea. This cosmic dance will unfold over millions of years, transforming the appearance and structure of both galaxies. While the merger of Andromeda and the Milky Way is a captivating astronomical event, it's important to note that it won't have any immediate impact on us or life on Earth, given the vast timescales involved.